is a global company building a CPG-based business. We've invested significant amounts in research and development on new products, new brands. We have industrial scale cultivation and automation that we've brought to the table. But more importantly, building out a global infrastructure. We have operations in Canada, Germany, Italy, Malta, Colombia, Jamaica, Argentina, and relationships in Australia and the UK. So our path to success has really been driven from the start in terms of profitability. We've always believed that in order to survive, you had to be profitable out of the gate. We've had a heavy focus early on our cost structure. And as the market continues to evolve and revenue lines shift and we start getting dispersion of revenue based on products, it becomes more about gross margin and gross margin opportunities. But in order to grow, we needed capital. And without the TMX group and the facilities that it provided in terms of our access to capital markets, we wouldn't have been able to grow into the company that we are today. The advantages of listing on your market, obviously access to capital. I also think credibility with patients. It's provided us a platform to get our brands out to patients, to consumers that wouldn't have existed otherwise. We're very proud to have been invited. We're very proud to be here. I think it shows tremendously today how many people are here, how many people are interested in the UK. If you asked me 2 or 3 years ago how quickly the UK would adopt cannabis, I thought it was a government change in 4 or 5 years at a minimum away. And then all of a sudden, one family changed the entire narrative by deciding to take care of their daughter and getting the cannabis that they needed to be able to live a functioning life and use the media and use other tools at their disposal to change that conversation in the UK, and it's led us to this point. Oh, it's been a lot of fun. You get into all these interesting channels and interesting discussions as you start off as this very, very small company. At various times we've had 40, 50 employees, but had a market cap over $1 billion. And that can present its own unique challenges, but you're building systems, you're building processes. It's been a fantastic journey. We have so many great people that work for us at Aphria. They've all embraced that journey, and I'm very proud of them all. Canada has this fantastic group of licensed producers that have all this knowledge that we can impart on the rest of the world. The government has all of this knowledge and experience from the regulatory process that it can take across the world. This represents a huge opportunity for us as a country, and I hope they move forward with it. I sit back and I look at all the different things that we did and we thought moving into that space. How did we develop our brands? Did we know that the work we had done to build those brands was going to be effective and would resonate with consumers? And now you have that data. How quickly was the market going to evolve? And so a year ago, there was just so much unknown answers to how things would evolve, and you have that today, and you can see the next level of those questions for our next evolution.